Hello. Very interesting tong question. About chickenpox pa rin. Hi, Doc. May medicine po ba or vaccination in order to prevent chickenpox? Or like, for example, I've seen a red dot on my skin and I don't want na magkaroon ng chickenpox. Meron bang vaccine or medicine for that para mapigilan siya na magkaroon ng mga bumps? Thank you very much. Okay, so I like the question, no? So, may konting twist. So, ang tinatanong niya is, meron bang bakuna o gamot para hindi tumuloy yung chickenpox? Excuse me, yung bulutong. Um, Meron nga, no? Nandiyan papasok yung acyclovir. So, sabi ko nga, acyclovir and all the other immune boosters will shorten the course of the disease. It's not going to stop the disease, no? Nandiyan na yun eh. Kumbaga, tutuloy-tuloy na lang. Um, yung iba, they still suggest giving chickenpox vaccine within until 72 hours of the disease, no? Pero sabi nga natin, kasi kung titingnan natin yung small details ng vaccination, medyo late na yun. No? So what it will do is it will just try to help your body to fend off the virus. All right. So usually we give high doses of acyclovir. It will really shorten and lessen yung mga lesions that's caused by the disease, by the virus. Okay, so um, hopefully this helps. Bye bye.